Assalamu alaikum, alhamdulillah. I'm currently here in Indonesia, Banda, Aceh, in a school called Fajr Hidayah, where I'm teaching these amazing students Arabic calligraphy. Subhanallah, just seeing these young children practice the letters and getting better at them straight away. Inshallah, I hope after this class they all go on to become amazing calligraphers with years of practice. Quickly, if you can quickly come here, I will show you how I am writing the letter Alif and how I'm showing them as well. So you can see this student has done this one. I'll be showing them how to write the letter Alif. We go up and we come down. Okay, again, let's do the letter Ba. One stroke here. So this is the same as this one. And then we're going to drag along and come up like this. Okay, that becomes the letter Ba. Yeah? So alhamdulillah, I'm going to be going around the class and teaching everyone these letters, inshallah. Keep supporting the amazing work Global Ihsan Relief are doing. Without them, this wouldn't have been possible. So jazakallah khair once again. Assalamu alaikum.